Hi ma'am, ask ko lang po, paano po ako makwalify for MatBen? Last 2020 pa po yung last hulog ko as employee. EDD ko is November 2024. Pwede ko po bang bayaran ang first to second quarter this year to qualify? Thanks, sana masagot. Hi Beb! For today's video, sasagutin natin yung question ni Beb Lahing Tareg. Beb, kung ang EDD mo ay November 2024, at para malaman kung ikaw ay qualified sa maternity benefits, exclude natin ang semester of contingency mo na mula July 2024 to December 2024. Now, ang magiging qualifying months mo ay mula July 2023 to June 2024. Dito po magsiselect ng at least 3 to 6 highest monthly salary credits at syempre dapat may hulog ka sa nasabing qualifying period para makompute ang maternity benefits mo. Beb, para sa tanong mo na kung pwede bang bayaran ang first quarter at second quarter this year to qualify, ay pwede po. Dapat may at least 6 months ka na contribution sa qualifying period mo at kung kaya mo ng 2,800 per month, mas okay po. So pwede mo pang mabayaran yung first quarter. Then, let's say mula January 2024 to June 2024, ang monthly contribution mo ay 2,800. So, ang possible na ma-avail mo sa maternity benefits ay 70,000. At make sure na hindi ka late payment. Sana'y nasagot ko ang iyong katanungan. Thank you and God bless. Follow for more.